Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tommy, owner of Godwin Construction. Just showing you about these little four-way push wire connectors. I thought they're really cool. Just want to show you. I already started it before I thought about making this video. So I basically just skinned the ends of all of them, and the ones you have to connect, they kind of take the place of like a wire nut. So you just push them in there. Let's see. I'm gonna do another one. Any electrical, you know, perfection guys, if I'm doing anything slightly wrong, don't grill me in the comments. But basically, it's pretty easy. Get the wires at the right length you want. If it's an older wire, it's better to kind of cut it off. Maybe just cut it off and get you some fresh wire. Give it a little. The wires are kind of short. There we go. Got it. All right. Let's see. Do the green. Let's push it in. This particular one, you can do up to 4 wires. But, I'm just putting in 2. I probably could have got the ones with 2, but these are left over from another job. I do a lot of my renovations on my properties with just leftover materials from different jobs. All right, let's see. All right. Okay, do the same thing. Kind of, it's the old wire. I mean, it probably work, but let's see. Try to get where you can see. All right, let's see. I have to do this out of range. It's kind of, you put the wire, just barely push on the cutters. You kind of spin them around a little bit, and then a little bit more pressure, and it'll usually pull right off if you do it right. It's easy to mess up though, because if you do it too hard, you'll cut the wires on the inside. But if you do it just right, it just takes a little practice. But let's see. Yeah, I got that one cut already. These probably could have gave it a little more room. All right, let's see. Browns, push them in pretty good, and you can give them a little. Let's see. I'm glad I gave it a little pull test because this one messed up. Spin them around. Make sure they're in there. Just go. Give them a push. Let's see. Let's see. All right, yeah, it's on there. This one feels weird. I'm gonna cut it and get some more fresh wire. Oh. See, it's really made for more of the hard wires. It's kind of like the strand wire. But the other ones came snug. Of course, when I pull out the phone and start recording, that's when it wants to give me a problem. Murphy's Law. Anything bad could happen, it could happen. I started reading that book, but I stopped because I don't like putting such negative stuff into my brain. Talking about nothing but bad things. If something bad, it could happen to you. Screw all that. Prefer to focus on the positive things. Real estate, money, business, stuff like that. Yeah, this one pushed right in. Oh, yeah. One more. Yellow. All right, there we go. Yeah, that one pushed right in. That one was giving me a little bit of a problem. Maybe a little pull test. Yeah. Yeah, good. Sorry if you can't see, but I'm not really an electrician by trade. So my stepdad was an electrician, and my best friend's a master electrician, so I've worked with him before. All right, let's see. Now I kind of want to hold them together and wrap some electrical tape on. Let's see. Of course, I have one of my workers holding the phone for me so I could do this, or I would have him kind of holding it for me, but it's all good. Oh, a white one came out. Yeah, that's the one. It's the problem one. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give it a little bit more wire, maybe fold it over and twist it up like that. Give it a little more meat on the bones, you know. Fold it in half and twist it. Maybe it'll be a little thicker. Now, most of this stuff, construction, if you have common sense, most of this stuff is common sense. I try to work on people's house like, how would I work on my own house or my mother's house? How would I work on a family member's house? That's how you treat people. Ooh. There we go. So, see, really, I should wrap these up individually, then wrap them up together. But for the sake of time, but go pick up a bunch of stuff for this property we just bought. I'll go get some materials. Got to keep people busy. Keep my guys busy. I'm over here making YouTube videos. And whoever has the funniest joke in the comments, whoever can make me laugh, I'll have a gift for you. And you have a surprise at the end of this video too. So stay to the end. All right. A little ghetto fabulous, but hey. Probably wrap it up a little better later. Fix that. I actually don't sound like the present. Let me put another layer on that. No sense. Don't do something tomorrow, what you could do today. All right. But check out some of my other videos. I have some good videos on like sheetrock. I do a lot of slick finish, sheetrock level 5. I do like custom round walls, ceilings. So I have some cool videos. Check them out. And I'm kind of new to YouTube, so if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be great. All right. Let's see. That's basically for the end of the trailer. So that's it for now. Appreciate you watching the video. Check me out on my next video. Peace.